This is a 42-inch witch's cauldron, tripod stand, and optional easel stand that you could put a card on. It comes in black, made of plastic and metal, with a chain and LED light for your decoration needs. It comes in a nice box and nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, and we opened it up and we're going to show you what this is about. Inside the cauldron is an instruction guide, very simple and easy to go over. And inside is your tripod stands, your LED light that simply turns on by a push of a button, a number of settings, and off. Included are 2 AA batteries. Also, you have a chain to hang your unit that has a rope cloth plastic body, nice size and diameter. Assembly is easy as dropping, allowing them to lock into place and secure, opening up nice and wide, taking the hook, one is clipped and one is open hook, slide on to the top and lock down. We have a hook that's adjustable with the chain with the bottom hook, so if you want to put this on and adjust it to the height you like, you may do so. Simply just take the hook, snap it through, and place on the top hole. That'd be the long length. Then simply take the cauldron, place it on, and you're hooked up. You have your light that you simply unwrap. It's made of wire. You lay it in the bottom of the cauldron, inside, any way you like to light up. Drop the leads in, turn the light on, adjust your chain to level the cauldron out for your Halloween needs. The cauldron is a decoration and not a Halloween candy holder. You have the option to have flicker, a slow flicker, and a solid light, and off. Put the light in and place outside. Halloween time, witch's cauldron. Check it out. You want to decorate the area, porch, stairs, front of the house, back of the house, the lawn, anywhere possible. Blows in the wind, is sturdy. It acts as an optional easel when not in use. So enjoy your Halloween decorative item and check out what they have to offer. Thank you for viewing.